The way that we provide light for the plants in our farm is, of course, it's closed. There's no windows, so we're not able to use the sun, so we kind of have to create the sun. And we do that utilizing LEDs. Now, LEDs are light-emitting diodes. We have a collection of them with different colors or spectrums.
We have these LED panels that we've had custom built, and we put them directly across from where the plants grow. The LEDs are controlled by a computer, just like the irrigation system, just like the climate control system, and it basically turns those lights on or off.
This is really unique and really exciting because we can provide that perfect sunny day every single day for whatever crop we're growing, making sure that you have that perfect relationship between basically the distance from the light, the intensity of the light, and the growth pattern of that plant, making sure it's not blocking other plants, and we're providing a uniform environment for all those plants.
We are always, just like with everything, trying to optimize what are the right colors, how much do we give, and how does that affect individual types of plants.